Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to force pictures to stay in one fixed position on the page in Microsoft Word. This locks your images and graphics to exact coordinates on your display layout, completely preventing them from jumping around or moving to different pages whenever you add or delete text. First, open your document, navigate to your target image layer, and click on it once to select it. Look at the top right corner of the image border and click the small floating Layout Options shortcut button icon. Look underneath the text wrapping list. Locate the toggle bubble explicitly labeled Fix Position on Page and click it to activate it. To fully secure it, click the See More text link. Look at the horizontal layout properties. Click the Relative to drop-down box and change it completely to Page. Drop down to the vertical layout properties, click the matching Relative to choice box and switch it to Page as well. Finally, move your eyes to the bottom options section, check the box next to Lock Anchor, and click the OK button to commit your changes. Now you can type, press Enter, or edit text paragraphs anywhere above the graphic workspace without the image sliding out of place. And that's it. Your permanent absolute image positioning configuration is now completely optimized and operational. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.